What happened to your phone, you said, miss?
I was at my dad's restaurant, Tomlinson's, and I dropped it off the counter, and the screen is cracked and I can't see anything. Can you please fix it?
Don't worry. I got you.
Oh my goodness.
Your phone is ready, miss. Now it's good to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I only have to wait 35 minutes.
It looks like 39 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow, that 39 isn't going down.
Mm-hmm.
But she
okay.
waited 2 days, so she
2
can
days,
wait
39 is
39 minutes.
It's a very small
It's a good
fraction.
deal. It's a good deal.
Yes. Thank you so much. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
it.